Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm here with another tutorial on how to unsend message on Instagram. Like we often accidentally send someone a message, right? That was actually meant for someone else and you accidentally send it and regret. So this tutorial will exactly going to show you how to unsend message on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram, tap on Instagram icon and go to anyone's profile you would like to send a message. Like I'm just gonna go tap on search right here and type in the celebrity account. Okay, let's go with this. So now I'm just gonna go tap on this message and write hello and send. So my message just got sent and now I'm gonna unsend it by tapping on the message. Just tap on this message for a while and this three option will appear on your screen. Tap on unsend, tap on OK. So guys, this is how you unsend a message on Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.